Jay Swaminarayan, myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. We are solving exercise 7.4 and we are on the sixth question. We are finding out the equivalent fraction by simplifying the given fraction, right? I think we have solved up to h and we are on the I, that is 12 upon 75, right? So first we have to find out the factors, right? Then we will find the HCF. So HCF is 3. So 12 upon 75 will be divided by 3. Okay, so 3 4 the 12 and here 3 2 the 6, 3 5 the 15, that is 4 upon 25. So for 4 upon 25 we start here. Get it? Then next J, 12 upon 72. So numerator and denominator will be factorized. Then find out the HCF. So HCF is 12. So we will divide 12 upon 72 by 12. So we get 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72. Okay, and we will circle it. गेट इट बिकॉज इट इज द सर्कल ना 1/6 जिनका भी आया है उनको हमने सर्कल किया है जिसका 1/24/25 उसको हमने स्टार किया है और आई थिंक इट इज 1/5 ना हमने टिक किसके लिए किया है करेक्ट साइन फॉर 1/5 right okay so that we can confirm here now we will take k that is 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 we have to factorize it. Find the HCF. HCF is 3. So 3 divided by 3 and 18 upon 3 we get 1 upon 6. So it is circle. Now next 4 upon 25. So 4 upon 25 का HCF तो 8 ही आएगा. तो इसको डिवाइड किया तो हमारे स्टार मिला that is 4 upon 25. अब देखो कौन कौन से फ्रैक्शंस सेम इक्विवेलेंट है यहाँ लिखा है जिनको हमने स्टार किया था वो कौन से फ्रैक्शंस थे 8 upon 50 16 upon 100 4 upon 25 गेट इट नाउ सर्कल करने वाले 3 upon 18 12 upon 72 2 upon 12 then 10 upon 60 and 16 upon 96 okay now tick करने वाले 3 upon 15 15 upon 75 and 12 upon 60 बिकॉज इनका सिंप्लीफिकेशन 1/5 आया था इनका 4/5 आया था और इनका 1/6 आया था गेट इट सबको समझ में आया ये बहुत लेंदी क्वेश्चन है लेकिन समझ में आया ओके नाउ वी विल मूव टू द सेवंथ क्वेश्चन find the answer of the following right and indicate how you have solved. Is 5 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 5? So हमें दिखाना है कि 5 upon 9 और 4 upon 9 इक्वल है क्या तो इसके लिए पहले हमें क्या करना है दोनों अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन है so first we have to find out the LCM of denominator. So what will the LCM here? For LCM we will do the this method. So 3 3 are 9, 5 as it is, 3 1 are 3, 5 as it is, and 5 1 are 5. So 3 into 3 into 5. So it is 45, right now? So then we get LCM. So we will change this fraction into equivalent fraction. So 5 upon 9 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 5, 9 multiplied by 9. Also here 4 multiplied by 9 and 5 multiplied by 9. So here we get 25 upon 40, 25 upon 45 and here we get 36 upon 45. So here denominators are same na. So they are like fraction now. So we can easily tell whether they are equal or not. So it is 25 and it is 36. So 36 is greater. Are they equal now? No, they are not equal. So we have given here explanation how. So these are unlike fraction. We convert them into like fraction and we can easily tell whether they are equal or not. Okay. Now next. Is 9 upon 16 and 5 upon 9 are equal? So we have to find out first LCM. So 16 upon 9. Okay, 16 upon 9 are here. So first of all we will find out the LCM. To add the 16, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, we get 144. Okay, so 16 should be multiplied by 9 and 9 should be multiplied by 16. So we'll get here 9 9 the 81, 16 9 the 144, 5 60 the 16 5 the 80 and 16 9 the 144. Okay, so what do we have done here? These are unlike fraction. By calculating LCM of denominator, we convert them into equivalent fractions, right? Now the denominators are same and then we compare the numerators. So they are not equal but 81 is greater than, right? Na? So let's start the next example. Is 4 upon 5 and 16 upon 20 are equal. So same process we have to carry here. So 5 on the 5, then 2 to 5 for the 20, then 2 to the 4 and 2 on the 2. So LCM will be 20. Now 4 into 4 we get 16 and 5 into 4 we get 20. So 16 upon 20. So both are equal. Okay. Now what will the D question? So D is same as it is. Okay. Now we will see the story sum. So once again I will remind everyone. सबको मैं फिर से रिमाइंड करवा रही हूँ 20 मार्क्स के मैंने क्या दिया है स्टोरी सम दिया है PT3 में क्योंकि हमें पिक्टोग्राफ सॉरी डेटा हैंडलिंग एक चैप्टर है उसमें कोई स्टोरी सम नहीं है तो स्टोरी सम किस में से आएगी फ्रैक्शन और डेसिमल में आएगी तो जितने सारे स्टोरी सम है सब आपको रिवाइज करने हैं और इतने कुछ डिफिकल्ट स्टोरी सम्स नहीं है आप अच्छे से वीडियो देखोगे और खुद इंडिपेंडेंटली एक दो बार सॉल्व करोगे तो आराम से सॉल्व करोगे क्योंकि इन्हीं दोनों एग्जाम में स्टोरी सम नहीं आए थे इसीलिए मैंने इस बार आपको स्टोरी सम्स दिए हैं ठीक है so let's start. Ila reads 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Okay. Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? So let's start. See here. Ila reads 25 pages. Means in fraction we can say 25 upon 100 because total pages are 100 and she reads 25. So it is 25 upon 100. So if we simplify this fraction we get 1 upon 4 right because HCF is 25. So 25 on the 25 and 100 divided by 25 we get 1 upon 4. Okay. Now next Lalita read. So Lalita read 2 upon 5. Okay, so how can we compare? Both are unlike fraction. So what is our process? When there are unlike fractions, we have to find out the LCM. Okay, so let's take the denominator 4, 5. So 2 to the 4, then 5 as it is. 2 1 the 2, 5 as it is. Then 5 1 the 5. So what will the LCM? 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2 the 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 we get 20 right now what will be the LCM 20 अब डिनोमिनेटर को हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करेंगे राइट ना सो 4 should be multiplied by 5 so numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 5 here 2 upon 5 should be multiplied by 4 so 5 on the 5 and 4 5 the 20 here 2 4 the 8 and 5 4 the 20 now see here 5 upon 20 or 8 upon 20 which is greater 8 upon 20 means Lalita read more and Leela read less understand everyone okay let's see the next story sum Rafiq exercised for 3 upon 6 of an hour while Rohit exercised 3 upon 4 of an hour who exercised more now see here Rafiq exercised 3 upon 6 and Rohit exercised 3 upon 4. Now here both are fractions having same numerator right na? So which has small value is the greater one. So कौन से में denominator छोटा है 3 upon 4 में ना तो उसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा मीन्स रोहित exercised greater. Okay, so रोहित exercised more. ये दूसरी तरीके से भी सॉल्व